Hi, I'm Tatiana REDONE and I'm here to show you how to solve rational inequalities. Inequalities. Solution set of a rational inequality is the set of values that satisfy the inequality. The common method used in getting the solution set is by using the interval method sets. There are 3 steps in solving this rational inequalities. First, set inequality to 0. Find x-intercept by getting the numerator to 0. Determine and define values by setting the denominator to 0. And last, make critical values on number line. Check intervals for the final solution. So for example, we have 2x plus 4 over x minus 7 is greater than 0. So, based on the first step, we need to set this aside into 0. Based on the given steps, first, we need to set the inequality to 0. So, 2x plus 4 over x minus 7 is equal to 0. So next is we need to bring them in one line. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 7 is equal to 0. So now we need to transpose it to the right. So 2x is equal to negative 4. To cancel the value of x, we need to divide both sides by 2. So the answer will be x is equal to negative 2. Here, for the denominator, we are just going to transpose the negative 7, so it will be positive. So x is equal to 7 because this value is already undefined. So now we're going to make a number line so that we can make critical values on it. So here, when you are making a number line, choose a number on the right side of the positive and the left side on the negative side. So on the right side, we're going to plot 8. In here, on the negative side, we're going to use negative 3. So now, for this, we are going to substitute the value to x. So now, first we're going to do is to substitute the negative 3. So 2 times negative 3 plus 4 over negative 3 minus 7. So in here, we make sure that the value of x is greater than 0. So in here, the answer will be negative 6 plus 4 over 10. Same goes through 8. So 2 times 8 plus 4 over 8 minus 7. So, it means that the number that we chose is greater than 0. So, what if we use the value of 0? So, 2 times 0 plus 4 over 0 minus 7. So, 0 is 4 over negative 7. So, that would be 4 negative 7. In this case, we cannot define this as greater than 0 because the denominator is less than 0. So, in the solution set, we are going to base our answers on the intervals in the number line. So, it means that x is less than negative 2 or x is greater than 7. So, how are we going to use the brackets? So, in here, we use parentheses because the symbol that we use is greater than and less than. So in here, it will be negative infinite going to negative 2. And for the other side, we're going to put 7 going to positive infinite. So that's how we get the rational inequality.